Seeing your diesel truck suddenly lose power and hearing the engine struggle while black smoke pours out the back is one of the most stressful moments you could have on the road, especially when a code like P2462 pops up. This code points specifically to the diesel particulate filter pressure sensor B circuit being intermittent, which sounds complicated, but let's break it down into simple terms so you can fix it. Basically, your vehicle's computer, the PCM, is getting a confused, flickering signal from the sensor that monitors the pressure in your DPF. Think of the DPF as a mask that catches soot. As it fills up, pressure builds, and the car needs to know exactly how much pressure is there to burn it off during regeneration. When this sensor circuit acts up, the computer panics because it cannot tell if the filter is clogged or clean, leading it to cut power to save the engine. This is exclusive to diesel engines, so if you were driving a Ford, Dodge, Chevy, or VW diesel from 1996 or newer, this applies to you. The problem is usually not inside the heavy metal DPF itself, but in the small electronic sensor or the silicone tubes connected to it. Since you are likely seeing this on a scanner, you need to grab a digital volt ohm meter and pop the hood. Start with a visual check, because these sensors are often mounted near extremely hot exhaust parts. Look for wires that might have melted against the engine block or jagged metal edges cutting into the insulation. A very common issue specifically for this code is the rubber or silicone hoses that run from the exhaust pipe to the sensor. These tubes can melt, crack, or get clogged with soot, causing that erratic signal. If the tubes look burnt or collapsed, replacing them with high-temperature silicone hoses is a cheap and effective fix. If the hoses are fine, you will need to test the sensor's resistance and voltage against the specs in your manufacturer's manual. Do not ignore this code, as driving with a blocked DPF or a confused sensor can eventually damage the engine or fuel system, turning a minor repair into a massive bill. Check those tubes, verify the wiring, and get your rig breathing freely again.